Sun. The Sun is a star which marks the center of our solar system. It is 865,000 miles wide, so the Sun's diameter is about 110 times wider than Earth's. The Sun's surface temperature is around 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunlight needs about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is so small, it would fit 18 times into Earth. The temperatures are very extreme. They vary between minus 250 degrees and plus 820 degrees Fahrenheit. Although one Mercury year just lasts 88 Earth days, a single day on Mercury lasts 58 Earth days. A person weighing 150 pounds on Earth would, by the way, only weigh 55 pounds on Mercury. Venus. Venus is also known as the evening or morning star, the brightest star in the sky. Venus is very similar to Earth in terms of size and material. It is the hottest planet with temperatures reaching 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet is covered by volcanoes, craters, and huge mountains. Earth. Earth is the fifth largest planet of our solar system and has one large satellite, the Moon. It is the only planet of our solar system that was not named after Roman or Greek divinities. 70% of the surface is covered with water. 1 year, of course, lasts 365 days and 1 day 24 hours. The Moon. The Moon is our planet's only natural satellite. The average distance from the Moon to the Earth is about 240,000 miles. The USA's NASA Apollo 11 mission in 1961 was the first manned moon landing. The first person to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The average surface temperature of the moon is 220 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and minus 240 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Mars. Mars is very cold and dry, but there is water in form of ice at the north and south poles. The highest mountain there is called Olympus, and it is 3 times higher than the Mount Everest. That means 72,000 feet. Mars has 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. Both are probably asteroids, just which were caught up by Mars' gravitational field. 1 year on Mars lasts 687 days. Phobos. Phobos is the largest of the 2 moons of the planet Mars. It is also closer to its planet than any other natural satellite in the solar system. Phobos travels at only 3,700 miles by comparison to our Moon, which is 240,000 miles above Earth. It is not known whether Phobos originated from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists believe that millions of years from now, Phobos will either break up and create a ring around Mars or simply crash into the red planet. By the way, the gravity on Phobos is so low, a person weighing 150 pounds would just weigh 2 ounces there. Deimos. It is unclear whether Deimos is a moon or just an asteroid. Deimos is about 15 miles away from Mars. It is the smaller one of the planet's 2 moons with a diameter of just about 8 miles. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. The most famous feature on the surface of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been blowing for more than 350 years. Jupiter has 79 moons and thus is the planet with the most moons. And on one moon, Europa, there might even be life in an ocean below its icy surface. On Jupiter, 1 year lasts about 12 Earth years, whereas 1 day lasts just 9 Earth hours. Io. Io is one of the most interesting moons of Jupiter. The moon's most interesting features are its volcanoes. Besides Earth, Io is the only known object in the solar system with still active volcanoes. There are 400 known active volcanoes on Io. Io is also very hot. Io orbits around Jupiter in just less than 2 days, leading to this heat. Europa. Why is Europa so interesting for scientists? It is one of the most promising objects in our solar system for potential life. Europa is just a bit smaller than our own moon, and when you see a picture of it, you can easily see water-ice surfaces. So it offers the best opportunities for life below the ice. Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant just like all the other outer planets. This means that it doesn't have a solid surface. It consists mainly of gases over a small rocky core. Saturn is the second largest planet and famous for its rings. Saturn's moon, Titan, is the second largest in the solar system. 1 year on Saturn lasts 29 Earth years, whereas a single day on Saturn is only a little bit longer than 10 Earth hours. Uranus. Uranus is the second furthest planet from the Sun. Uranus is a blue planet. because of gases that make it look blue. Uranus orbits on its side, so its seasons are different to ours. Summer and winter last 21 years at the poles. 1 year on Uranus is the same as 84 Earth years, and a single day on Uranus is about 17 Earth hours long. Neptune. Neptune is the last planet of the solar system and very similar to Uranus. Due to its blue appearance, it is named after the Roman god of the sea. 1 year on Neptune lasts longer than anywhere else in the solar system. 165 Earth years to finish one circle around the Sun. Pluto. Until the year 2006, Pluto was considered the 9th planet of our system. But that year it was declared a dwarf planet and was thrown out of that list. As it is furthest away from the Sun, temperatures are very low at about minus 480 Fahrenheit. Let's meet again in another clip. Take care. Bye.